Hi guys, this is Fluke, the F&I Tech guy, and today we'll be installing Windows Server 2019 on an Oracle VirtualBox. See the link below for the eval version of Server 2019. When setting up your virtual machine, set the new ISO you downloaded as the default boot device. When Windows boots, you have three options. Option 1, language to install with. Option 2, the time and currency format. And option 3, the keyboard or input method. Very important, otherwise your characters swap around. There's going to be four options. Option 1 is Server 2019 standard evaluation without the desktop experience. That means command prompt, PowerShell, those kind of stuff. The third option, same, 2019 data center, command prompt, PowerShell. We're not going to go those options. We're going to choose desktop experience for the standard evaluation. Choose I accept the license terms and next. Custom install Windows only, advanced. We're not doing upgrades, we're installing from scratch. Next is your drives. This is something you would have planned out ahead of time. For this purpose, 40 gig just to get the server installed. Windows will start copying, installing, doing various reboots up until the point where you get a username and password. Choose your super secure password. People, not something that can be easily hacked. This password is your local administrator password, and once they get that, they can do anything on this machine. And voila, you're ready to log in. Once logged on, you'll get a recommendation to make the server discoverable. This is a choice you have to make at this stage, whether you're in a public domain or private domain. My purpose is private domain, I'm going to make it discoverable. This is going to be my ID eventually. One of the stuff I'll always do when logging onto a new server is setting up the local server properties. In other words, computer name. Choose a computer name to your naming convention. Enabling remote desktop. Choose that option, allow remote connection to this computer. You can tick the one below as well. Sometimes you'll have to untick it because it gives some issues on the network, but preferably keep it on. NIC teaming, if you've got a server with high network traffic, definitely go that route. This is what single server, AD virtual machine, I'm going to leave it at one network card. IPv6, turn it off. You don't use it, don't need it. A quick reboot just to get all the settings refreshed, make sure the computer name is there. go set your time correctly. It just makes it easier for everybody when they log on, troubleshooting. Nobody has to wonder what time the request happened. IE enhanced security configuration. Disable for administrators only. Basically, these machines aren't going to see the internet a lot, but there's some setups that you want to do now. Windows updates, you want to make sure those kind of stuff run. There's some third-party applications that you might have to download. All those kind of stuff prevents that pop-up from coming up. So turn it off. Once you're done, you can turn it back on. These machines should not actually see internet. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe.